Salut, Masichoma, and you're welcome to today's episode. Actually, it's about you starting your new year. By the time you're seeing this video, absolutely, it should be maybe a few days before the new year. I want you to know something, especially if you're a creative person. A lot of distraction, a lot of things are before you. You want to do a lot of things, you want to achieve a lot of things. And what do? You start writing, how do you put it? What you want to, how to, I've forgotten that particular word where you say what you want to achieve and you list a lot of things, a lot, and you don't achieve any of it. Look at your last year goals. Did you achieve everything? So, what I want you to do, I want this video to be simple so that anybody can understand. Write out three things you want to achieve next year, this new year you're about to enter. Don't list 500 things. Write out three things you want to achieve. And the fact that you're not listing a lot of things doesn't mean you cannot still add other things to the list as time goes on. But write three things that are very important to you, you need to achieve. Okay, for example, let me say I need to eat the gym. Two, you need to start writing. Maybe I need to start writing another new book. And three, I need to up my game, my money game. Let me say that's the three areas I want to work on. All that three areas and focus on it. And now this is one thing I want you to take because now there are a lot of things, a lot of people are talking, everybody's talking at the same time, and nobody's listening. Everybody is now a content creator, everybody's now a preacher, everybody knows it all. And actually, nobody's listening. But you have to listen to yourself. Be your own truth. Don't look for truth outside there. Don't let people tell you what you need. That I'm telling you, write three goals where you say, these are things I want to achieve. Now you've picked exercise. How do you want to do it? See, it is not even about intensity. Where you wake up in a month, you say you want to maybe skip 500 just one day. No, we're talking about consistency. How can you do it? There's one thing one method I usually take. I don't like doing something that will be like just doing it intensely, just doing it at that point in time and never doing it again. Let's talk about consistency. Instead of you giving yourself 2 months to lose weight, why don't you span it to like 6 months to lose weight in a way that it will not stress you? Taking walks gradually, and over time your body gets used to it. But consistency, every day you do it, you do that small little thing you need to do. Small little can be like walking 10 minutes in a day, can be like taking more steps. See, I know you already know something like this, you've heard of it before, but we're talking about practicality of it. For example, you want to write another book. How do you do it? If you don't start writing one sentence today, you will never write that book. You will never write that book. You want to talk about your money game. What areas? What do you know how to do? How will you put it? How do you sell? If there's one thing I learned this year is that everybody is good. But what differentiates you now is your selling game and your marketing game. You got a package. And aside, you just coming out and having a product where people are saying, create, use AI to make a product and create a book, ebook, PDF, and the likes. How do you sell? People don't even tell you how you sell. And one of the easiest way to sell is by the organic method, content creation. Let people know you. It might not even be it. Just let people know you. People buy from someone they see, they trust, they believe in. There's no magic in it. And you want repetitive buying, you want consistent sales. So you need to be where people can find you. So what I'm still saying that for this new year, no scatter scatter. Oh. Don't try it. We are doing structured and focus, like zero focus. We are not getting distracted. Let's give ourselves the next 6 months to achieve what we need to achieve. No overnight success. Forget about that shit. We're not doing anything overnight success. We are doing something that at the end of that 3 months or at the end of that 6 months, you look at yourself and you know that yes, I felt it. Something changed in me. So whatever you need to work on now, your mindset, your positioning, get it sorted. Write it down and get ready for the new year. So this is me wishing you a happy new year. or any time of the year you see this video, just know that the moment you wake, the moment you realize where you need to be or what you need to do is your new year. So happy new year. And stop this video and go and do the work. Stop this video and structure your life. Enough. Enough. Be you. Don't forget that my book titled How to Fight Pornography and Masturbation Addiction is ready. Ready for you to buy. The link is in the description box below. You can also get the physical copies at Rovingheights Store if you're in Nigeria. The soft copy is on Amazon and on Seller. And I will see you in and down. Bye for now. Au revoir.